back to our English Conversation podcast. Today's topic is shopping for clothes and asking for sizes and colors. This is a super useful skill, especially if you're living abroad or traveling. Ready?
Absolutely. This is a situation I face almost every time I go to a mall.
Perfect. Let's start our role play in a clothing store. I'll be the store assistant first, and you'll be the customer.
Sounds good.
Hello. Welcome to Trendy Wear. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'm looking for a casual shirt, something comfortable for everyday use.
Sure. What style are you interested in? Maybe a t-shirt, a button-up shirt, or maybe a polo shirt?
I think a t-shirt would be good. Something simple.
Great. Do you have any color preference? We have black, white, navy blue, green, and light gray.
I like navy blue. Do you have it in size large?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here it is. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
The fitting rooms are right over there, on your left.
Thanks. I'll try it on now. Okay, so let me pretend I tried it on. It fits well, but it's a little tight around the shoulders. Do you have an extra large size?
Yes, let me grab that for you. Here you go. Try this one.
Thanks. I'll put it on. This one feels much better. I think XL is perfect.
Great. Would you like to buy it?
Yes, but I might need more shirts. Do you have this design in other colors?
Yes. We have it in black, white, and green. Would you like to see them?
Sure. Can I see the green one?
Of course. Here it is.
Wow, I like this color too. Do you also have this one in XL?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Perfect. I'll take this one as well.
Excellent. Now let's expand the conversation. This time you play the assistant, and I'll be the customer.
Oh, switching roles. Okay. Hi there. I'm looking for a pair of jeans.
Sure. What style are you looking for? Skinny? Slim fit? Straight? Or relaxed fit?
Maybe slim fit. Do you have any dark blue ones?
Yes, we do. What size are you?
I'm usually size 32. Can I try them on?
Of course. Here's a size 32 inches dark blue. The fitting rooms are behind you.
Great. Thank you. They're a little tight around the waist. Do you have size 34?
Let me check. Yes, here's size 34. Try this one.
This one feels comfortable, but do you have a lighter blue color?
Yes. Here is a light blue version in size 34.
Nice. I like this color better. I think I'll take it.
Great. Anything else you're looking for today? Maybe shirts, jackets, or shoes?
Actually, yes. I need a jacket. Something lightweight.
We have several options. What color do you prefer? Black, navy, beige, or gray?
Maybe gray? Do you have medium?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thanks. This fits pretty well. How much is it?
It's $45.
Okay. That's reasonable. I'll buy it.
Great. Now let's discuss important phrases shoppers commonly use.
So, when you're shopping for clothes, you may want to ask, do you have this in a bigger size?
Right. And also, do you have this in a smaller size?
Very good. For colors, you can ask, do you have this in another color?
Yes. And if you want to try clothes, where is the fitting room?
Perfect. And when something doesn't fit well, you might say, it's too tight. It's too loose. The sleeves are too long. The waist is too big.
Excellent examples. Now, let's continue with another mini role play combining all the phrases. I'm the customer again. Let's go.
Great. Hello, can I help you find something?
Yes. I'm looking for a dress shirt for a formal event.
Sure. What color are you interested in?
Maybe white or light blue.
We have both. What size are you?
I'm size medium.
Here are two options, white and light blue. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Right over there.
The white shirt is good, but the sleeves are too long. Do you have medium, but with shorter sleeves?
Let me check. Yes, we have medium slim, which has slightly shorter sleeves.
Great. Let me try that one. Perfect. This one fits great.
Nice. Would you like the light blue one as well?
I like the color, but it feels a bit loose around the waist. Do you have slim fit?
Yes, here's the slim fit version.
Much better. I'll buy this one too.
Great. Anything else? Maybe ties or belts?
Actually, yes. I need a black belt. Do you have size 34?
Yes, here you go.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Wonderful. Let's go to the checkout.
And that's a full shopping experience, choosing clothes, asking for sizes and colors, trying things on, and buying them.
This was super helpful. So many phrases we can use in real life.
Exactly. And listeners, I recommend you practice asking these questions aloud.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you in the next episode.